So you guys seem to really like the headlights and the video I made on them. So inside this box is new LED taillights for the Ranger. And I'm really excited to show you guys what these things look like. I took a peek, I couldn't help myself, that's why the box is open. And they look amazing. I think it'll look really good with the black paint, but we'll get to that a bit later. But right now, I'm headed over to Jordan's shop. He offered me some space there to let me do these taillights. So I will see you guys once I'm at Jordan's shop. And just like that, I'm at the shop. And I got the taillights back there. I'm gonna back it into the little bay here once he pulls up the tractor for me. That was yesterday, right? 2 days ago? I don't know. And the taillights. Damn it, I opened one of them. Looks awesome. Oh, that's gonna look sick. I am very excited. Unlike the headlights, this is built-in resistors, and it's plug and play. Is that coming out easy?
Yeah. Are you gonna smash this one?
No. Jesus. Kind of see how that looks.
You might have ordered the wrong thing here. This isn't gonna fit, eh?
No, it's for a different year. I know that.
Yeah, this plug's not gonna work.
Mm-hmm.
Unless we break something. Because this, the bottom tab might fit, but this top one definitely is not going to.
Hi, I want to talk to somebody who's like into the automotive section.
Yeah, first. One moment, please.
Thanks. Hi, so I'm currently trying to put a new taillight into my truck, right? And the taillight is older year, so the light adapter doesn't fit into the taillight. So I was wondering if you had like light adapters there.
Light adapter?
Yeah, that plug into the wires for the taillights.
I know a couple different ones, but I don't know what I've got for you. What are you looking at specifically? What the truck is going in?
2011 Ranger, but it's a 97 Ranger taillight.
So the taillight's out of a 97.
Yeah.
And you're going into a 2011. Let me see if I can figure this up here. I know we had some of those little adapter kits, but I haven't seen them since we moved to the new car.
Okay. Because there's like 2 prongs, but the hole requires 3.
For that light.
It's an LED. It's an LED taillight, so it looks modern, but it's not made for the 2011s for some reason. They only made it for the 97 gen. So the no, so yeah, the notches are different only for the reverse.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say the body styling didn't change very much over those trucks.
Yeah, it's just the reverse.
When they discontinued them and brought them back, that's when they made the huge switch.
Yeah.
I got nothing for you, Honky.
Yeah. All right. I'll call around a few other spots. Thanks.
All right, sorry, man.
Oh, no problem. Not your fault. Thank you.
Bye now.
Take care. And I actually attempted to do this yesterday, but that is how we found out that the reverse connector for the 2011 doesn't match up with the 1997. And I actually went to the shop at like 8 a.m. this morning and ordered these in so I could get them the same day, since as I'm filming this, it's a Friday and I don't want to wait for shipping as well as the weekend. So these are 97 Ranger reverse sockets, that should fit. I should be able to do the taillights now. So it's been probably over an hour, honestly. We are suffering serious defeat. But I messaged the guy who's actually got the taillights put in, and he said that he just cut it with a box cutter, cut one of the tabs off, or shortened it. And that's what we're doing inside the house actually right now. We shortened it. Now it won't fit right, because of this lip. It doesn't match that. Alright guys, so it's gonna be the third attempt for these taillights. Know what we have to do? We have to shave the body line down a little bit for the taillights. About 5/16 of an inch is what I saw. Might have to bring maybe a 1/4 inch, I'm not sure. But we'll see how it goes. I'm really excited to see how they'll look when they're in. I'm very confident today. And I'm hoping third time's the charm.
Go in a bit? Yeah, right there. Okay, so that plastic's hitting.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, those are nice. When you go off to one side on like the 45, you can't see the brake lights.
I know.
It's only direct. That's cool.
Kind of threw me out when we were doing the test.
Yeah. It's kind of cool though.
Yeah, it's kind of cool, but
Alright guys, so it is after the taillight install, and I have to say I am so excited. I'm almost more excited than I was about the headlights, but check these things out. So this is the running lights, and obviously, as you may have seen, the brake light lights up there, and that's also the turn signal. But look at that. It looks so menacing at night. So there's two variants of this, and I'll leave a link down below in the description for the taillights if you want. So there's two variations. I got the smoked variation. I figured I'd get the smoked, A, because I have a black Ranger, and B, it would cover up this reverse bulb, which you can see there. So if it was clear, you'd be able to see the bulb clear as day, and I'm not a huge fan of that look. So I figured smoked is the way to go, and boy was I right. Look at this. It's so flush with it. And you guys may have been cringing at the bodywork. I was cringing too, but it turns out, so I had a huge dent right here. You can kind of see the imperfection where the dent was. And I got banged out, and you can see it's pretty smooth. The paint is a little chipped, but it's been touched up, and it looks better than it did before we even started. So the bodywork is better, the taillights look better. It was just a win-win all around. And for a pretty affordable price too. I think I paid about $230 for these. So that will be all for now. You'll see these taillights in every video going forward, obviously. So if you have any questions, leave them down below and I can try and answer them. But for now, that is all. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and support the Ranger build. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.